The Settings menu has some very easy-to-use tools to help manage your streaming TV experience without having to contact customer support. From the top navigation menu, press the left or right side of your remote control ring until you highlight Settings. Then press the center of your remote pad to open the Settings menu. The two setting features that we will focus on are Favorites and Account, where you can add a new device to your service. Favorites is a really cool feature if you only want to watch certain channels and want to reduce the number of channels to scroll through from your program guide. Highlight the Favorites tab, which will display all of the channels currently available with your streaming TV service. Using the top or bottom of your remote ring, scroll through the channels list, and when you come across a channel that you like to watch, just press the center of your remote ring to mark it as a favorite. Continue adding your favorites, and when you're finished, press the left side of your remote ring to activate the Show Only Favorite Channels and Guide slider, and then press the center of your remote ring. Should you decide later that you want all of the channels to be back in your guide, you can highlight the Show Only Favorite Channels and Guide slider and press the center of your remote ring. The other important tool in the Settings menu is the Accounts tab. When you highlight this tab, you'll be able to see how much recording time you have left by looking at free disk space. And you will also see a list of devices that are currently authorized to access your streaming TV service. Let's say that you just purchased a new TV for the family room and need to get a new device connected for the big game. After the device is connected to the TV, go to the Amazon home screen and search for our streaming TV app. Then select and click the Get button to download the app. Once the installation is complete, when you open the streaming TV app for the first time, you'll be asked for a login and passphrase. To generate these two numbers from an existing and activated device in your home, scroll down through your device list until you highlight the Add Device button. Click the center of your remote, and a new device login information screen will display that will provide your login and passphrase that you can use to activate your new device just in time for the big game.